Assalamu alaikum. Students, we are going to read the article complex numbers. Complex numbers are defined as the numbers of the form x plus iota y where xy belong to R and iota is equal to -1 under root are called complex numbers. Here x is called real part and y is called imaginary part of the complex number. For example, we have 3 plus 4 iota. It is a complex number. Real part is 3 and imaginary part is 4. Similarly, 2 minus 5 by 7 iota is a complex number. Real part is 2 and imaginary part is -5 by 7. So every real number of the form x plus iota y where x y belong to R and iota is equal to -1 under root is a complex number. Since every real number, that is if we have 3, it can be written as 3 plus 0 iota. In this number, real part is 3 and imaginary part is 0. So we can say that every real number is also a complex number. But we cannot say that every complex number is a real number. So every real number is a complex number, but converse is not true. Now we see here is the article 1.4.1 operations on complex numbers. What are the operations? There are 6 operations on complex number. First operation is this: a plus b iota is equal to c plus d iota implies a is equal to c and b is equal to d. Addition: how can we add complex number? Here are 2 complex number a plus b iota and c plus d iota. We add real parts, that is a plus c, and imaginary part b iota and d iota. So we have the complex number a plus c plus b plus d iota. Real part is a plus c and imaginary part is b plus d. Similarly, we can multiply a number to a complex number. Here number is k, that is k is a constant. A plus b iota is a complex number. How can we multiply it? We multiply it as k is multiplied to a and also k is multiplied to b iota. Now we see what is the method to subtract 2 complex number. It is similar to the addition. So you can add, you can subtract them. Now we find the method of multiplication of 2 complex number, which is a plus b iota is a complex number. Second complex number is c plus d iota. Multiplication is done as multiply a to c and multiply b to d, and there will be minus between these two, that is ac minus bd, and we multiply b with c, it will be bc, and plus a to d, and this will be a complex number having real part ac minus bd plus ad plus bc iota. It is a multiplication you know from 2-3 class, but you have to remember the formula. It will be convenient for you in the exams, so you will remember you have to learn this formula, that is AC minus BT plus AD plus BC iota. Now we find another operation on complex number, which is conjugate complex numbers. If we have a complex number a plus b iota, then conjugate of a plus b iota will be a minus b iota. Here is the example: 5 plus 4 iota. Conjugate of this number will be 5 minus 4 iota, and conjugate of minus 2 plus 3 iota will be minus 2 minus 3 iota. Conjugate of minus under root 5 iota will be plus under root 5 iota. Now here is another formula for the inverse of a complex number. If we have a complex number a plus b iota, that is a plus b iota, it can be written as an ordered pair. This ordered pair AB. If this number is denoted by z, then z inverse is equal to a over a square plus b square minus b over a square plus b square, ordered pair. Now here is the exercise. We will do the questions which can be MCQs or short questions. MCQs type questions are these. That is question number 4. We solve minus 1 raised to power minus 21 by 2. It can be written as, we know that iota square is equal to minus 1 under root into minus 1 under root. So it is equal to, iota square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 can be written as iota square, and here is the exponent. It will be solved as, so iota raised to power minus 21, it can be written as 1 over iota raised to power 21. It can also be written as iota raised to power 20 into iota square raised to power 10 into iota. 1 by iota square, it is minus 1 raised to power 10 into iota, which is equal to 1 over, it will be positive 1, so it will be 1 over iota. We add, we multiply and divide by iota, so iota over iota square, iota over minus 1, so it is minus iota. Write in terms of iota. Here is the question number 5. Part number 3 is minus 16 by 25 under root. It can be written as iota square into 4 square by 5 square under root. So it will be iota into 4 by 5. So we can write this 4 by 5 iota. Now we find the multiplicative inverse of under root 2 minus under root 5. If it is denoted by z, then z inverse is equal to, by this formula, a over, so under root 2 over under root 2 square, that is a square plus b square, so under root 2 square plus minus under root 5 square it is an ordered pair. minus under root 5 over, this is the number, so it will be 2 plus 5. So z inverse is equal to under root 2 over 7 under root 5 by 7. Now we factorize the following. Question number 15. Factorize the following: 3x square plus 3y square. It can be written as 3 into x square plus y square. We can factorize it by using iota. It can be written as x square minus iota square y square. So 3 into x minus iota y and x plus iota y. So we factorize 3x square plus 3y square. I again do this step: x square minus y square. This minus 1 is iota square and this is y square. So we can do factorization. If here is plus sign between the two numbers, this factorization is possible if we use iota. So students, we have solved all type of questions that can be MCQs or short questions. Next type of questions will be done in the next lectures. So Allah Hafiz.